Welcome back. In this video, I want to talk about the Bitcoin dominance and why I think we're going much higher. Okay, guys, now we see the Bitcoin dominance at 56.7. We actually going down now. There's a altcoin season going on at the moment. And where is the current support of Bitcoin dominance? I want to talk about that, of course, but why I think we're heading to a much higher number here, probably at around 65% Bitcoin dominance. For those who don't know, this is the Bitcoin dominance. So how much of the crypto market cap is at Bitcoin. So now we have the market cap, total market cap at around $3.6 trillion. So that means that currently, if you check the price here, if you check this number, 56% of the money supply of the money in the crypto space is with Bitcoin. So yeah, I think we're going to much higher, not only because of this analysis I'm going to do, but also talking about the fundamentals. I think this is a bull market for Bitcoin. So probably we're heading to a much higher Bitcoin dominance. In the past, we've seen the Bitcoin dominance heading to this area here, which was around 72%. It went a couple of times here. Let's see from here, down here, also this place. So you see 72 is is very possible, but I'm being a bit more conservative. I think we're heading to a 65% Bitcoin dominance, and I'm going to show you just in a moment. So if you like the content, don't forget to leave a like, guys. You're sticking to the end because this is very important, because if you pay attention to the Bitcoin dominance, you know when to be more exposed to the altcoins or more exposed to Bitcoin. Okay, so I highly recommend you to always be more exposed to Bitcoin, because the altcoin market is quite I'd say quite risky. So I highly recommend you to have at least 60% of your portfolio in Bitcoin. So I have much more, because I'm more like I'm a Bitcoiner actually. So anyway, guys, so to know exactly where the support is and where is going to be the maximum resistance for Bitcoin dominance, we always check the volume. Okay, so the volume is quite important. Where people are interested to know, like where's the money changing hands, right? This is very important. So let's see here, the volume showing like, okay, always when the trend starts, when the trend ends. So you see, guys, here there's a lot of volume, and there's a region here. You see the volume here? A lot of volume. Also here, down here below, there's a lot of volume, guys. Yes. And also here now, we have a lot of volume. That's why the Bitcoin dominance is crashing now. So whenever we have volume, it means there's money changing hands. There's money coming out of Bitcoin, going to the altcoins, and vice versa. Okay, so they always have to pay attention to that. So now, to check where is going to be the support, guys, what you guys have to do is always check the fixed range volume profile. So always try to check, instead of doing Fibonacci. Fibonacci is also great, okay? Don't get me wrong. Fibonacci can work as well, but I believe volume is always a better idea. So try to check the fixed range volume. This indicator here, let me show you. This is the name of the indicator, okay? You can find it here. Fixed range volume profile, yeah. So just place, let's say, down below here, okay, the bottom, which was 39.7%, to the top, you see the support now is at 53%. So that means probably we're heading now to 53% of Bitcoin dominance. I believe we're doing that. So there's still a lot of money to make, a lot of money you can make with altcoins. So it's nice that you play some, now the altcoins are actually now correcting now. So it's a very good time to be buying some altcoins, because a lot of money from Bitcoin is going to the altcoins. I think we're probably heading to this area here, 53%. But I think, guys, this is not the top for the dominance. I do believe this is not the top for the dominance, guys. We're going much higher. Why? Because firstly, it's a Bitcoin bull market. The institutions are not buying altcoins. The institutions are not interested in buying Chainlink or whatever, Solana. They don't care about that. They care about Bitcoin, guys. This is an institutional bull market. So everybody wants to accumulate the more Bitcoin, the more Bitcoin possible, So that's what I'm doing here as well. So if you follow me, if you subscribe to the channel, I'll make sure to always share my thoughts here and how my strategy is to accumulate the more Bitcoin possible. So this is very important, guys. Very, very important. So I think we're probably heading to 53% Bitcoin dominance, but I then believe we're gonna probably then go much higher with the dominance to 65%, guys. Why I believe that? So I told you many times, the 72%, it's yeah, we always get back here, okay? Always check back here in the bear market, you know, especially. So yeah, so now if you check also the fixed range profile here, fixed volume range profile is the name, yeah, fixed range volume profile, from the bottom here, from this bottom here, okay, to the top here, check, guys, check exactly where the volume is, 65%. So that's why I believe we probably actually gonna have a support here, and then the top will be around here, 65%. You know, so my plan now is position myself in some altcoins, especially now now that Ethereum is correcting, and some altcoins as well. So as long as the Bitcoin dominance is above 53%, is a good time to be in the altcoins. But once you get here, guys, I'm going full Bitcoin again, guys. Doesn't matter what's gonna happen. I'm gonna go full Bitcoin because we're heading for sure, in my opinion, to 65% Bitcoin dominance. Okay, so this is much it, guys. I hope you like the content. It's very simple content, actually. I hope you like. So if you like it, just please leave a like below. Subscribe to the channel. Ring the bell as well. And I see you guys next time. Bye bye.
Fiat max is disrespect the sovereignty of individual. Lies so blatant, not subliminal. Tantis is the criminals, but I'm digressing.